Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Precious and I am back again with another awesome video. So yeah, if you're new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Do not forget to thumb this video up and do not forget to hit the bell button so that you'll be notified every time your girl pulls up on your screen. You feel me? I'm so sorry guys about the excitement and everything. I was just happy and I figured, hey, let me just share my happiness with y'all. Yeah, your girl is officially 27. Yeah, ish. Gazini, officially, your babe has grown, has added another year, okay? So, yeah, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much, hon. Thank you so much for coming back and viewing another video, okay? Yeah, please do not forget to share my videos, guys. I beg of you, don't forget to share with your friends. Don't forget to share with your friend enemies. Don't forget to share with your and us guys, your family, your sisters, your mothers, okay? Everybody, please, I beg of you, tell everyone to subscribe to my channel, please. So yeah, what are we doing today? I'm sure you're as excited as I am. So guys, today I figured I'm gonna show you how I install eyelashes. So with me I have two things. I have this. What are this? This are 5D eyelashes. Yeah, that is how they look. These are 5D eyelashes, and I have an eyelash adhesive, which is glue. I'll just call it a glue, yeah. It's eyelash adhesive, and unfortunately, I do not have my tweezers with me. But don't you worry, still gonna make this work. Still gonna make this an awesome video, okay? So yeah, without wasting any time, guys, let's get straight into the video. Yeah. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. I open the glue eyelash adhesive, and then I'm gonna use this needle to punch it. Yeah, let's do that. So this one is a colorless one. So from here, I'm just gonna take one of the strip lashes. Oh, before I do that, guys, let me apply mascara because I did not apply mascara on my lashes. So the trick here is to apply your mascara before applying your lashes. That way you will not mess up your lashes, provided you still want to use your lashes again. So if you apply it before, then you'll save the lashes, your pair of lashes. You'll probably wear them a couple of times. And to share with you this one hack that will save you tons of money, okay? Okay, and we're done with that. Where were we? So y'all, I'm just gonna pull one of this, hold it in my hand like so. Let me remove that. Sorry, like so. And then now I'm gonna apply the glue on the strip. Remember, these are strip lashes. These are strip lashes, you guys. So better be careful, okay? Like, strip lashes are the easiest lashes ever. Like, those are the easiest lashes you could learn to apply, you guys. So yeah. So from here, it says we should wait, yeah, 30 seconds. Let it soak for 30 seconds until it becomes a bit sticky, and then place your lash as closely as possible on the base of your natural lashes, and then after that you press gently, guys. Don't be harsh, don't be in a rush. Don't be harsh and don't be in a rush, you guys. And now the trick here is to look down. Remember, I have a mirror with me here. So the trick here is to look down, down, yes, like so. That way it will be easier to place your lashes on top. No, don't place them on your natural lash, but then rather on the base line, guys. The base, remember, not on top of your own lashes, like so. Or place your lashes in the middle, and then from there you gently press them at the end right there. Gently, remember, be gentle. And then here in front you also press it down. So when you look down, guys, you know what it does. When you look down, you actually make sure that you do not press or place your lashes on top of your naturals, so it will literally just go straight to your base of your eye, or the base of your lash line rather. So let me just gently press it here, because I feel like the ends are not as sticky enough, guys. So I'm just gonna press it down here, press it down at the end, and voila, guys. So this is the, yeah, this is just how you do your lashes. Basically, it's just as simple as that. Okay, it's just as simple as that. Though I will not suggest that you use this specifically, because I feel it's not sticky enough. Like, it literally gave me a hassle, guys. I do not want to lie to you. So maybe try another glue. Yeah, just try another lash adhesive glue. That would just work. So I will just finish the other eye. You see it's lifting a bit at the ends there. Hence I'm saying I wouldn't suggest this one, Shem. No. The lashes are gorgeous. The lashes are gorgeous. They're very, very, very gorgeous. But the glue is not the things, guys. So I'll just finish up the last lash strip. So this is the one. I will repeat the same steps. So guys, yeah, these are the lashes all installed. This is how we're looking. This is how they are looking. Yeah, it's lifting a bit here because the glue, honey, is not doing the things for me, hey? So yeah, um, I'll just suggest you buy another one. You can check at this cam, you can check at Clicks. There's something that would work. There's something that will definitely work. So guys, yeah. So thank you so much for watching till this far. Okay, thank you so much for watching till this far, you guys. Yeah, thank you. Don't forget to follow me on all my socials. On Twitter is Buntle61, on Instagram is PreciousM61, and on Facebook it's Precious Buntle Maluleka, and I have a Facebook page, two of them. The other one is Sisterhood, and the other one is Precious M Buntle. So yes guys, so please don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends. Yeah, please do share my video with your friends, guys. Your support is really still appreciated over here. Okay. Don't forget to hit the bell button. Yeah, don't forget to hit the bell button after subscribing so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Okay, thank you so much guys for watching. I just hope this video is not too long. I will try to minimize it so that it doesn't take much of your time. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. Mwah, 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 mwah. Yeah, do not forget to check out this video where I was doing where I was showing you how to do my goddess, yeah, my goddess fox locks. The old and crusty now. Yeah, I think I had them for like what, 2 weeks? Oh, 3 weeks rather, or 2.5. I'm no longer so sure, but yeah, I think I've had them for the longest time. Yeah, I'm thinking of cutting my hair, you guys. I'm not sure. Well, I haven't made up my mind as yet. I love my hair, but I'm just tired of combing my hair. Guys, to comb, it's not a child's play. I hate combing. Anywho, oh, I'll just do another productive style. Yeah. And my edges are recovering. Guys, my edges are coming back to life. My edges are coming back to life, guys. 27 is not bad on me. 27 does not look not bad at all. It is not bad. It is not bad at all, guys. You guys, thank you so much. I'm going on and on. I don't even know why. Okay, here I am going on and on and on and on and on and on and on. I don't even know why. So, from your girl, your favorite melanin check. We out of this place. Peace.